Hey guys, another review, and I have a review on when you have a laptop and you doesn't come with that glossy black screen. You have the flat black matte screen, and it doesn't look good as the ones that you see that comes with it as an option. Okay, well, we got a solution for that. Now you can get a screen protector like for your cell phone. You can get it for your laptop. Okay, I went ahead and ordered one off eBay for like 15 bucks. Okay, here's the package that's gonna come in. Fragile. Okay, and I'm gonna just do a. I already opened it up for you guys. Stick it out. Okay. It already comes in packaging, as you see. Okay. So now, here it is right here. Okay. Since I already took it out, so it's already out. And what it is just a clear piece of plastic with some adhesive on it. Okay. It's the sticky side. Does come with a plastic film over it, since I already took it out, so you just don't see that little tab thing right in the corner. So anyways, so the first thing you want to do is clean your screen. Okay, now it comes with these little alcohol wipes. They're not even wet at all, they're practically dry. They were not worth a shit. Okay, just to be honest with you guys, you know, so you can get you some isopropyl alcohol. Okay, you can still use this, you know, to wipe and everything, or you can do as an option, you know, is a paper towel, but you still have to watch for the oils that still comes with those. And they also give you this little microfiber cloth. Okay, anyways, so turn your laptop off, clean the screen as good as you can. Clean this thing like there's no tomorrow. If it takes you 10 minutes just to clean it, good. Make sure, you know, that it's super duper clean. Okay, so, but also I want to note that for $15 you get this nice little laptop sleeve. This alone is worth 10 bucks or more. Pop your laptop in there, protect it when you're going someplace. It's really thick, nice looking. So anyways, that's the bonus of getting it. So now get your little alcohol. What I would do is pour it on here. Wipe your screen really good. Really clean it. Make sure there's no fingerprints, no smudges, no nothing. Just clean the hell out of it. Who cares how long it takes you? You want this done right? Take your time. No rush. And everything else. Really clean it. You won't believe how much crap builds over the years on it. Okay. You know, give it a few seconds to dry. You know, it's hard to see, but it's a drying. Yep. Okay, you can also wipe it. Really good with your free microfiber cloth. Well, actually, it's not free. You actually start paying for it. Anyways, okay, it's nice and clean now. You know, it might not be 100% perfect. You can still try it. But for demonstration's sake, it's an old laptop that I got for practically nothing. Anyways. Okay. So then when you get your new plastic film, separate it. Okay. And line it up. Corner with the corner. Top with the top. It's going to be just a hair off, like maybe 1 or 2 millimeters. Get it to exactly where you like it. I like that a little bit on the top, a little bit on the bottom. Okay. It's really hard to see, guys. Once you get it to generally where you are. And you'll start seeing spreading. It's the adhesive stuff. Might have to give it a little push. And you might get some air bubbles in there. You're going to have to work them out with your hands. You know. You can use a credit card or something. Something stiff. But be careful, you don't want to break your screen. Okay. Assuming that you do get some little bubbles in there. Dust particles. Sometimes it's hard to tell if it's on the glue part of the plexiglass because it's just in the air. You know, if you do, you can get some tape, wrap it around your finger, and dab it. Okay. And keep going with this. Some people wet their screen and then apply it, which you can do that too. So, I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, I got a little bit of piece of tape to clear stuff. Cut it, wrap it around your fingers. Okay, now if you do get little spots of dust, this is all you do. Yeah. Turn it every now and then. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod. I have to get one. So you just go all around and make sure there's nothing on the plexiglass. Also do your screen. Take your time. You know, all you need is one little piece of dust. Okay. So, okay. I will be back in 1 second. Okay, guys. Alright, I just cleaned the screen and everything else. So, I did wet it down a little bit because I took it off a few times. And let it do its magic. As you can see, it starts spreading. I had a little bit of rubbing alcohol, put it on there. Some people do that, some people don't. Okay, you want to work out some of these bubbles. They could be a pain in the butt. You can use a credit card or something, but let it finish doing its doing, then we can work them out. Give them a few seconds. Okay, it's mostly done. Okay, let's support the screen a little bit. Let's work some of these bubbles out. They should come out pretty decent. Sometimes they might take a day or two for them to work themselves out by themselves when I've had a cell phone screen. But see, I'm using this as like a credit card. Remember guys, never going to be 100% perfect, but do the best you can. You know, give it a day or two, keep a little bit of every day, just keep working them out. It's not the worst thing in the world. They have a few little stinking bubbles, but at least you get a better screen after. Okay, just work them out real slow. Don't put too much pressure. You don't want to hurt the screen. You want to break the plexiglass or the tempered glass, whatever kind that happens to be. Okay. Anyways. Give it some time. Work them out. Okay. Okay, guys. Alright, just started the computer up. And as you see, it looks pretty decent. Might be a few little bubbles, but like I said, don't worry about that. Now, the people that show you online, well, remember, they're going to be professionals. Okay. We're not professionals. So, otherwise, hey, 10, 15 bucks. You get a nice protective sleeve there. Comes priority mail. You know, either way, it looks better than what it did. It's got a nice glossy look to it. You know, doesn't look too bad. So, all these pop-ups, what's going on here? I haven't used this laptop in a while because I have a desktop. But for when I do, mod on. Get the hell out of here. So, anyways, as you see, everything looks good. Looks beautiful. You know, up a web page. Okay. Doesn't look so bad. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it's so long, but as I'm saying, it's well worth it. Get a nicer looking screen, and I think you'll be happy with it. Plus, you get a nice protective cover. That's the main thing. Beautiful. It'll fit right in there. You're ready to go. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you liked our review. I'm just giving it to you straight and everything else. You're never going to be 100% perfect. So, do the best you can. Give it a few days. Sometimes they work themselves out. And that's just about it. You know? Thank you.